Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Football Manager 26 game on PC. So open Steam, go to store and in the search the store type Football Manager 26 and then click on this Football Manager 26 game. Scroll down and here you will see play Football Manager 26 play for free until 20th April. So let me tell you that Football Manager 26 has the free weekend and you can play this game till 20th April for free. So click on this play game button and here you will see Football Manager 26 and the size is 7.49 GB. So click on install, read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to library and here you can see Football Manager 26 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Football Manager 26 game on PC and it is free until 20th April 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.